Tiny starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child I live in Wonderland. All my dreams are coming true. Heavy shackles used to hold me down.
Hi, in this video I'm really excited to share with you the June Craftine Box. You may have seen the April Craftine Box that I reviewed, which was the lovely trench coat, which I've not stopped wearing, to be honest, since I've made it, but I've very kindly been sent the June box to review and share with you. So let's take a look at what's inside. Now with the June box, there's actually 3 different patterns, so you can choose from either a t-shirt and a skirt combination, or you can choose from a dress, and it does include some embroidery thread for doing up a ready-made basket as well, if you have one. So looking at what's included inside then, so we've got some linen viscose fabric, which is 39 by 53 inches, some cotton jersey, which is 39 by 55, 86 inches of rip-rack, some embroidery cotton thread, and of course a little sweet. So let's just take a look at some of those. So the rip-rack is in like a, sorry, the embroidery thread is pink, the rip-rack is in a nice cream colour, so that will go very well with the colours that are contained within the box. There's the little sweet. Okay, so here's the jersey. Now it's a really lovely quality jersey, and it's got lots of wonderful summer type colours in there, but I think this could also work in other seasons as well because of the different shades. It's got a really nice amount of stretch, and it drapes really, really well too. It's super soft, and I'm sure this will be super comfortable to wear, and I think it will be really good to work with as well because it is a cotton jersey. I think it's 95% cotton, 5% spandex. This is the linen viscose, so this is in a lovely oatmeal type colour, so it should work well with lots of different complexions. It's a lightweight, and it again has got lots of lovely drape, and it feels like a super quality. And then you've got the pattern sheet. So as before, you'll be able to get the PDF patterns if you would rather, and then the box costs a little bit less. But the pattern sheet has got all 3 patterns on there. And you'll see in a second each pattern is a different colour. So you've got the skirt, the t-shirt and the dress are in different colours, so it makes it easy to see, they come in a variety of sizes. Okay, so I started to think about what I wanted to make with the contents of the box this month, and the t-shirt I will definitely get loads of wear out of. I haven't got a basic t-shirt pattern, but the skirt and the dress I don't think I would really wear, so what I'm actually making is the t-shirt combined with a Helen's Closet York pinafore dress. There's just about enough fabric to make that. I'll just insert a picture to show you what I've sketched out. I've used the My Body Model app and Procreate on the iPad to sketch that out. So I'll just insert a picture so you can see what that is like. So that's it. That's a sneaky peek inside the June Craftine box, and I can't wait to share with you what I make. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.
Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child I live in Wonderland. All my dreams are coming true. Heavy shackles used to hold me down. Now my feet don't even reach the ground.